This is my video review. I'm gonna show Transformers Age of Extinction, Deluxe Class Lockdown, but, well, he has a hook, just like in Revenge of the Phone, but Age of Extinction, you don't have it. Because I custom made it, so I used the Scotch tape instead, because, well, I seen the movie with Lockdown, he grabbed Prime, whatever. Well, this is a hook, actually. Well, look. And look at this hook. Let's move this camera. Okay. You see this? That's a hook. Well, I need to see it better. So I need to zoom his, let's move this camera. Okay, and move to the side. See, looks, well, so this is this thing, the hook is from Lego Bionic, whatever. Well, so thanks for watching, yay, goodbye, please subscribe me.